On the sun-baked shores of Sulawesi, Indonesia, an extraordinary ritual plays out beneath the tropical sky. A black and white bird, crowned with a gentle casque atop its head, moves with determined steps toward a patch of warm sand. This is the Maleo, a species found nowhere else on Earth, a bird whose life begins in one of the most unusual ways in the avian world. The Maleo, Macrocephalon maleo, is a member of the megapode family, a group of birds known for their remarkable nesting habits. But the Maleo takes this to the extreme. Instead of sitting on its eggs to incubate them, it entrusts that task entirely to nature's warmth, the heat of the sun or the geothermal energy from volcanic soils. In the early morning, pairs of Maleos arrive at communal nesting grounds, sometimes traveling kilometers from the forest to reach them. Working together, they dig deep holes, often a full meter down, into sand warmed by sunlight or earth heated by underground volcanic activity. Into these carefully prepared chambers, the female lays a single, massive egg, about 5 times the size of a chicken's. Once the egg is buried, the parent's job is done. They cover the nest completely and leave, never to meet their chick. The young Maleo's journey is one of immediate independence. After weeks of incubation, the chick hatches underground. Using powerful legs and wings, it claws its way to the surface, alone and fully feathered. Within hours, it can fly, forage, and survive without guidance. This remarkable life strategy has evolved over thousands of years, allowing the Maleo to thrive in Sulawesi's unique environment. But it is also a fragile one. Their nesting grounds must remain undisturbed, and the right balance of heat is critical for egg development. Sadly, human activity has put this delicate cycle at risk. Conservation projects are working to protect this extraordinary bird. Some organizations safeguard nesting grounds, monitor egg-laying seasons, and relocate vulnerable eggs to secure hatcheries before releasing the chicks back into the wild. These efforts are a race against time, aiming to ensure that future generations will still witness the Maleo's ancient ritual. For the people of Sulawesi, the Maleo is more than a rare bird, it is a symbol of their island's natural heritage. Its image appears on provincial emblems, and in local stories it is celebrated for its resilience and independence. As the tropical sun dips low, the nesting grounds fall quiet. Beneath the sand, life stirs, tiny hearts beating in the warm darkness. Soon, another generation will claw its way into the light, continuing a cycle as old as the island itself. In the Maleo story, we see a powerful truth: nature's most extraordinary wonders often depend on the